How to access the Psychological First Aid for Children e-learning on ChildHub. This e-learning module is brought to you by the International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies, IFRC, and the Geneva Learning Foundation, under the EU4 Health Programme. Step 1. Visit our website at childhub.org/en. Step 2. If you do not already have a ChildHub account, please register to access the e-learning module. Step 3. Once signed in, go to the Gain Knowledge drop-down menu and click on ChildHub Academy. Step 4. In the search bar, type Psychological First Aid. Step 5. Click on the title Psychological First Aid in Support of Children, circled in yellow in the picture below. Step 6. Congratulations, you have found the course. Click on Click here to access the course. Step 7. Under Course, click on Open the Course module. Step 8. After completing the e-learning course, you can obtain your online certificate. Enjoy your learning experience.